Can you complete the entire assembly with such a pile of materials? Some of the materials, let's immerse ourselves in the complete electrostatic powder coating machine plant line installation process.
I know it is hard to fall in love when you feel blue deep inside your heart.
I'm sure you got so much love to give. Believe in me, I can let it shine again.
Surrender, baby, please surrender. I will be so tender if you trust in me. Oh,
Pretender, I won't be a pretender. Baby, please surrender. You can trust in me.
you know these are not only words. My love is true. Look into my eyes.
And so, if you wanna feel the same, believe in me, I will let it shine again.
Surrender, baby, please surrender. I will be so tender if you trust in me.
When installing the oven, attention should be paid to the precise spacing between the track and the motor drive shaft should be calibrated and concentric.
When installing the powder spraying booth, attention should be paid to the size of the connection between the powder booth track and the top trolley. When installing the oven, attention should be paid to the precise spacing between the track and the motor drive shaft should be calibrated and concentric.